How to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. Perfect if you want to keep your AI chats for tutorials, documentation, or offline reading. There's no direct save as PDF button, but the browser has built-in trick that works instantly. So let me show you how. And either we can use shortcut. So let's say I have text like this about elephants. And what we can do, we can click on these three dots in our browser and we can simply click on print. And from here you will have this preview. How is it going to look like? And you can customize it if you click on more options or more settings. You can change paper size if you want to make it, let's say A1, so large, or A4. You can select pages per sheet, and the margins, with the margins you can customize it like a little bit. So if you choose, let's say, minimum, it's going to make the text differently centered, I guess. So if I try to click on none, you can see you can maybe save some space or fit more text with this if you play with this. So you can do like custom if you want, so you can center it how you want. I'm gonna set it to default. You can also select the scale, so you can make it bigger or smaller as you want. You can turn on headers and footers. So if I turn this off, you can see this date and this small text will be disabled. So you can decide if you want to turn it on. Another thing, this is really good, is background graphics. So if you enable this, this is going to create the graphics like if it was from ChatGPT. So actually it is from ChatGPT, but you know what I mean, this background behind the text. So you can see this is the question and this is the answer. And make sure to set the destination save as PDF. Then click on save. Now you can save it as this. You can name it like, let's say, elephant only. You can add text where in downloads, click on save. And I'm gonna open my downloads. You can see elephant PDF over here, so I can open it and now you can do whatever you want with it. I'm gonna also show you one really quick trick so you don't have to do it manually. So right now I'm in ChatGPT and I can print it instantly with the shortcut. So if you are using Windows, you want to press Ctrl plus P, or on a Mac Command plus P. So I'm gonna press Command P, and this is going to automatically create like this printing option and we can instantly save it. All right. So this was a quick video how to save ChatGPT as PDF. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.